CT125 stuck. Tried to go over this log and it ain't working. Surely I can use a log. If you're out in the woods somewhere and need to go over a log, I don't know. My God. Look at that. Heck yeah. We going? Whoops, there's a horn right there. Okay. It's still going. Okay, man. So you can get it over a log if you have to. I just want to make a video seeing if we could get this thing over a log if we was out somewhere in the woods, and you actually can. He helped me put the front tire up on it, but I think I could actually do it by powering it and bringing it up like that. Get the front tire up on the log and then go over it so you can go on the trail if there's a big tree down. So just a thought for a video. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We're out now. Catch you in the next one. Right on.